This is a brand new 2014 Ford Focus. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a power moonroof, a multi-link rear suspension, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: the appearance package, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a driver knee airbag, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel controls, external temperature display, a keyless entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Joe Rizza Ford North Riverside is located at 2100 South Harlem Avenue in North Riverside. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.